Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can clean the print head and the roller on your Dymo label printer. So, depending on how dirty it is, you might want to use something like isopropyl alcohol to give it a nice good clean. This one we're doing purely for the purpose of the video, so we're just going to be using a dry Q-tip, a cotton bud here. So make sure that your machine is off, and we're going to open up the back by just pressing this button in and pulling this down. We're going to be taking out the cartridge. And we're going to be cleaning in by this silver thing here, in this middle bit here. They do actually give you a nice little brush just here, but I'm just going to be using a Q-tip. But if you have a look here, you have a nice little brush just here that fits nicely in here, like so. So you can use that, but for this video I'm just going to be using a Q-tip, so I'm going to put that back there. So first of all, make sure that there's no dust around the place. So give everything a nice good clean with a toothbrush or some other brush and just get rid of any dust that's around the place. You can see that this one here is perfect. And then you're going to get a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on your Q-tip here, your cotton bud, and the print head is just down on this silver thing. So at this angle here, we're just going to be going in and we're just going to be rubbing up and down here, making sure that you cover the print head with some isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's nice and clean, that there's no dust on it. And then we also then want to swap it round, put another bit of isopropyl alcohol on here, and you just want to clean the actual roller. You can see the grey roller just here, and we're just going to be moving up and down here, cleaning the grey roller. Then what you want to do is you want to put your cartridge back in, see if the problem's now gone. If it's gone, fantastic. If not, print out a couple of bits, and by then the roller's going to have moved around a bit more because you can't get access to all the roller here. There is a service mode, but we can't find the service mode on this particular model. But by doing a couple of prints, the roller naturally is going to be in a different position. And then again, another clean Q-tip, cotton bud, isopropyl alcohol, just move it up and down the roller here, and hopefully then by doing that you will have covered the majority of the roller, and then see if it starts working. Other things, if it's not recognizing the cartridge, remember to give these things a clean here, and we've done another video on how to clean the cutting blade up here, so you can watch that. Hopefully doing those things will get your Dymo printer working again. Thanks for watching.